Well, as y'all know, I got a pretty good buck this morning. He's 200 pound easy, and there ain't nobody to help me load. This is where this SB Wood and Weld winch is coming in handy. Comes with this remote that I can work from out here once I sink it. SB Wood and Weld UTV bed winches is the best winches on the market in my opinion. I know you could run a synthetic cable off your front winch, over your brush guard, across your top and down. And people say, well, I don't want to spend that much money on a bed winch. Look, that top is just about as expensive as the bed winch. And the bed winch pops out with no tools and you can set it inside till deer season. So anyway, I'll show you how this thing works. I'm gonna put it through here, put it through the front legs. It's that simple. No blood, no mess. He's loaded and ready to roll. So check out Scott Brooks on Facebook, SB Wood and Weld. Look at my install videos and just get a hold of him. It don't matter what make and brand you got. Maybe he can come up with an idea, but right now these are mainly for the Honda Pioneer 700s and the 1000s, but could fit many other options. So give Scott a like and holler at him. As always, God bless. Appreciate y'all watching. See you next time.